I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Sims 4 on iOS and Android free. So go to matrixmods.com and on this site, we're going to type in Sims. And as you can see, there it is, the whole game, Sims 4. So press download, and before it downloads, there'll be a verification. This is the last step to get the Sims 4 on your phone. You just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So as you can see at the end, it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps, and then the Sims 4 will be on our phone. So for instance, World Winner, it says download and run for 30 seconds. And then we got Family Island, which says reach level 11. And then we got Underdog Fantasy, which says down and run for 30. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then you'll have the Sims 4 game on your phone for iOS and Android, the full game, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. I don't do videos anymore, but had to share this one with y'all because y'all be like, oh, where's Sims 4 mobile download? Here it is. Sims 4, iOS and Android, guys, right now. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it if they're poor, because a lot of people can't afford the PC, but now they can play Sims 4 on the go. iOS and Android ready to go. Fully working version. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bros. It actually works. And yeah, you just got to make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then you'll have the game. So yeah, I hope you guys found it useful. I feel like a lot of people don't know about this, so I thought I should be the one to share it. But yeah, it's super insane, guys. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and tell your friends, because this is super neat. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.